Big ass tree trunks and shit. Log.
Nigga, them hoes are snapping mad, nigga. Cars and shit fucked up, nigga.
Big ass.
That shit fucked up. Big
ass let you know.
Cars been in there, nigga.
Oh, you talking about big ass fucking forest trees like that?
Nigga, them hoes, nigga, I'm telling you, that shit.
It's like shit that you see on the news.
Yeah.
Nigga be like, God damn.
This is right there, though.
Yeah, right up close and personal. This ain't the news, this some real shit. Nigga say,
That close to home.
hell yeah. Bro, when I say you think I'm playing, bro, my 40-something years.
My nigga, cause bro, I'm driving down Broadport, my nigga.
And you seeing the stuff
I
falling.
see the shit twirling up, my nigga, then I see debris and shit too. That's why I turned around, nigga.
My nigga, okay,
when
I was recording, my nigga, and I was sitting there watching the form, and then I was watching, like, for what this was, I watched, like, the end of that motherfucking form, but then I'm sitting there watching all this debris. It got real dark, and I'm watching all this debris and shit fly. So I'm telling you, I was in the D, you can hear me on the phone saying, whoa, whoa. Smoking on that loud.
Oh, J. Cut. Yeah, hell, nigga walking and shit.
Oh.
You know what I mean? Just well, guys.
Damn, that nigga scared the fuck out of me. Fuck with y'all. I said, he scared the fuck out of me. He scared the fuck out of me, my nigga. Cause I'm thinking like some more shit coming out of the car. Boom.
That door done open for you. You have to worry about it. You don't worry about opening it up.
Yeah, I watch that all the time. And that don't bounce.
Yeah, that
shit is right here.
That shit cries though, fool.
Nigga, that's motherfucking badass storm shit. This what they call sales, nigga, storm sales. Nigga produce, nigga, that motherfucker, I'm telling you, dude, I'm like 22 tornadoes last time.
And then it's going down.
This is rain going. What you need? 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 I got what you need. What you need? What you need? What you need? Hello, 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 wait a minute, I get my child back, I got it, if you want to get up in the kitchen and hit it with the soda, I'ma make it come back and cut the soda, give it, I'ma get a back to this, if you want to get a bitch, you turn your head, I'm about my bread, I'm about my M.O.C. box, I ain't going stand. Best believe my niggas see the red. Not with a son, we eating out the bowl. And everybody not know, so we getting old. Even though a nigga is old, niggas still got a little soul. This is how we rollin'. What you need? What you need? I got what you need. I'm talking about I got what you need. What you need? What you need? It's a best thing for my brother. We don't come in. We just promote it now. Then let hands on. Yeah, we gon' smile. So you like what you need after a mile. Cause I'm on the web shit. Yeah, you know we're wild. Wild in the bitch. Yeah, we go like a bitch. Hate this woman. Hate the nigga, baby. Again, thank you, cool. Real people, crazy. Come make a word now. Thinking on the nigga. Mushrooms, goddamn me, Xanaxes, hydrocodone, teas, blues, yellows, got all that shit. Oh. It's my brother. He'll tell you, he want to test something. And there's my Pocahontas. Hard. Chest dummy. Hard. I ain't fucking with you.